Some places are just coordinates on the map, and then there are places that carry weight, places that shaped you, that you speak about years later with a certain look in your eyes. IIT Madras did that to me. I graduated in 2024 and I needed to come back once again. It feels different, quieter, older, like the trees here have been watching genius work beneath them for decades. Inside these walls, there are no honking cars, no city chaos, just these roads covered by a canopy so thick it feels like the campus itself is trying to keep the outside world out. The light here falls differently, softer, filtered through 100 years of trees. And then, deer, a spotted deer right there, unbothered, not running, not scared, just existing in its space. This is what campus life looks like here: a backpack, a bicycle, a road through the forest, student activity center. Most of the cultural programs take place here. You see, these buildings have seen things, equations that changed the industries, research that got published in journals across the world. Students who walked in as teenagers with a dream and walked out as people who built things the rest of us are using every day. If you are a JE aspirant watching this is what you are working toward. Not just a rank, not just a seat. You're walking toward walking these roads, breathing this air. And if you are a student here right now, trust me, you live inside a miracle. And it's passing much, much faster than you think. If you studied here, drop your batch and roll number in the comments. And if you are trying to get here, keep going. All the best.